Wait. If you are a student or a working professional, you need to see this video. Why? Because do you know that according to World Economic Forum, the future of jobs is going to change. Complex problem thinking, critical reasoning, creativity, emotional intelligence, and other skills which are not taught at the school or college level are bound to be required. So, what do you think? You are educated or you are skilled? Because if you are not skilled, you cannot get a job. So, what to do? How to learn these skills? How to acquire new skills so that you become job ready, you become future ready, because what you learn today will give you a job tomorrow. So कौन कौन से courses, कौन कौन से skills की मैं यहाँ बात कर रहा हूँ? So what are the upcoming skills which are required in the next 5 years, 10 years? So not academics, not mathematics, not physics, not chemistry, but the soft skills and the technical skills are going to be the most important criteria for your future jobs. Skills like Microsoft Office, financial modeling, advanced Excel, HR practices, business communication, digital marketing, spoken English, entrepreneurship, personality development, machine learning, blockchain, data science, web development, Android app development, ethical hacking, and animations. These are the skills which are required. These are the skills which are the future. So if you are interested in any of these skills, you should, and you definitely should, learn these skills. Now the question arises, how? We come into picture now. So if you want to learn any skill, we provide you the best solution. We at skillbuzz provide you not just the videos, not just the course, but a complete e-learning platform. What I mean by this? I mean that we provide you self-paced videos for your course or for a particular skill so that you can acquire the important concepts of that particular skill. Along with that, we provide you a real-time project. What I mean by that? Learning is not just watching videos. Learning is not just reading books. Learning is whatever you have learned, you are implementing it in real time. So you get a project of 10 hours or 15 hours after every course so that you can apply those skills in real time and get the practical exposure. After that, you get a test, and that test will certify you that you are now competent for that particular skill. Isn't it interesting? Videos, then a real-time project, then a test, so that you get 100% confident on that particular skill. And the best part, you become industry ready. You don't need to come with a background. For every course, we provide you from beginner to advanced level. Every course is simplified. You can use English, you can use Hindi and learn this particular skill. You get a real-time project and you become industry ready. The best part is that we keep on updating the courses with time, and all that comes with a very affordable price. Because as I say, what you invest today will reap the benefits tomorrow. To get an idea how do we teach, you can subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can see a lot of videos on various trending skills. These videos will help you to develop and grow on a day-to-day basis. Also, you can check the quality of the content. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now let's discuss all the courses in detail which can be very helpful for all of you. Advanced Excel, in which we teach you everything from basic to advanced. बिल्कुल हम लोग बिल्कुल बेसिक से स्टार्ट करेंगे, लाइव प्रोजेक्ट के साथ रियल टाइम में पूरा का पूरा एक्सेल सीखेंगे, मैक्रोस वीबीए लेवल तक. Then we are going to get into digital marketing, not just social media, not just Facebook, not just Twitter, not just Instagram, but also important tools like SEOs, marketing analytics, SMMs, and content marketing, and so forth. So you learn complete digital marketing from A to Z. The third, business communication, how to write an email, how to talk to your supervisor, how to negotiate with your manager. These are the things which you learn. Formal communication, written communication, oral communication, every kind of communication you learn in this particular course. Artificial intelligence. We all know that routine jobs are getting swapped by AI. So in this particular course, you learn everything from very basic. You learn a lot of algorithms, you learn from a lot of robotics things, you learn a lot of skills which may be helpful when you are designing a robot, when you are developing a software which can be helpful for companies. Because as I say, artificial intelligence is the future. So you need to run with it, you need to learn these skills. Stock market, we all love to increase our money, isn't it? But the best way to invest is in stock markets. But how to pick equities, how to pick shares, how to invest? Should I invest in stock market or should I go for mutual funds? These are the daily questions which I do not know, and the reason is because I do not know the fundamental analysis, I do not know the technical analysis. So in this particular course we teach you everything from basic till that level that you can invest in stock markets, that too with a lot of confidence. We move to data science. Data is the new oil. Data is what all the big companies are looking for, and data scientist is someone who refine that oil and make it in useful products. So in data science we will teach you that different statistical tool, different analysis, different technologies by which you can secure a very good job in data science and data analytics. I talk about financial modeling. Do you love numbers? Do you like to read balance sheets? Do you love profit and loss statements? If yes, then financial modeling is the course and skill which you need to acquire. Why? Because in financial modeling, you learn how to make projections. You talk about valuation of companies. You talk about financial models. You talk about startups. You talk about how to raise funds. So complete financial modeling from basic till advanced, where you can develop financial business models of big FMCG companies, is the target of this course. If I talk about entrepreneurship, we all love startups. At one point of time in our life, we wanted to do our own startup, we wanted to start our own company, but we couldn't. Why? Because we do not know how to start. We do not know how to start a business plan. We do not know the compliances. We do not know about the necessary regulations. We do not know about the market development. So in this entrepreneurship course, you get to learn a lot of things about startups, from basic till advanced, from core to a lot of infinite problems which a startup may face. So you will learn everything with the help of real-time case studies. If I talk about machine learning, the more content you give to machine learning algorithms, the better it becomes. So in this particular course, you learn a lot of tools, you learn a lot of graphical models, you learn about everything in machine learning, so that tomorrow when machine comes in front of you, you can help them learn, right? Then we move to the next course, animations. Sometimes we are very creative, we love seeing animations, so why don't we create animations? Digital marketing is the future, so animation is going to stay for a long time. So in this particular course, you learn everything related to animation, from pre-production to post-production, to build new characters, to give them different animations, and so on and so forth. In ethical hacking, we all are very scared of cyber crimes. So how to do ethical hacking? There are different kind of hackings, but one of a kind is ethical hacking, where companies will pay you for finding out the bugs, for finding out the loopholes. And here comes the role of ethical hackers. They help in finding the loopholes, they help in finding the vulnerability area, and that is why you are paid for. So in this particular course, you learn everything about ethical hacking. Then we move to graphic designing. As I say, digital marketing is the future. So you learn all the tools in graphic designing, be it Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Corel Draw, so that you can design and develop a career in graphic designing. We move to blockchain technology. If you have a problem, blockchain is the solution. No matter what the problem is, but blockchain future is very bright. So in this particular video, we course and we help you to learn all the things related to blockchain technologies, related to cryptocurrencies, related to bitcoins, and how blockchain technology actually works. So this is a course for all the technical and non-technical aspirants. If I move forward, MS Office, my god, from my internship, from my college to school to corporates, Excel, PowerPoint, these are the necessary things which are required every single day. If you have to create a report, you develop in Word. If you have to present a report, you move your presentation in PowerPoint. If you have to discuss numbers, you have to use Excel. So MS Office is one tool which everyone of should you know. So in this particular course, we teach you all the tools of MS Office, be it Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Outlook, so that you are very much competent and confident about this particular software and tool, which is really very helpful. Accounting and GST. GST have revamped the complete taxation system. The accounting processes has been changed. There is a lot of demand in this sector. So if you are someone who is interested in commerce, someone in accountancy, then you can learn this particular skill. In this course, you learn everything about tally, you learn everything about GST, different ledgers, journals, so that you can work in financial firms, big four, or probably you can practice on your own where you can become a part-time accountant. HR practices. The most important department of any organization. If the HR is not good, the company will not survive. So if you have to become a good human resource manager, if you think you are a people's person, you can talk well, you can communicate well, you can negotiate well, this is the course for you. And if you think you cannot do these things but want to learn, then also you can start with this course. In this course, you learn everything about HR, from recruitment to selection to training and every other stuff which is required in a company's HR department. And web development. Because all the companies are moving online, web development is a necessary tool. So in this particular course, we teach you different languages which can help you to code your website. We'll teach you different softwares which will help you website designing as well, so that you can start your own business. Tomorrow you can enter into any IT firm, or you can start your own web development company. And definitely Android app. Apps are replacing websites. So we need to replace our skills, or I should say we should upgrade our skills. So if you are a good coder, you can learn Android app development. And if you do not know how to code, you can directly start with Android app. And these videos, this particular course will help you to make a complete app by the end of the course. You start from A, but you end at making an e-commerce application. And that is where you learn these skills. So these are the skills which we are coming with, we are going to provide you, and we are coming soon. And the best part, with every skill you get a complete real-time project as well, so that whatever you have learned in videos, you can apply those things in that project. Exposure towards the theoretical learning, and you get the practical confidence within you. So subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for all the upcoming courses. Thank you so much. All the best and good luck.